Hello, everyone. My name is Cameron, and this is my special education technology app review. The app that I chose is Go Talk Now, and this is the link to that website. But how does it work? So let's watch. So Go Talk Now is just a little bit about it first. Is a customizable app for those who have limited or no speech. Integrates the simplicity of our Go Talk devices and the dynamic abilities of an iPad. And so it allows those who have trouble speaking to be able to communicate and express themselves like they wouldn't have been able to do before. And let's see.
First, Attainment created the GoTalk, a world-class communication device.
I'm Peggy Smith, and I'm a special ed assistant at Bird School. This is my 14th year, my second year working with Kingston. Oh, he's a firecracker. He does have the ability to communicate with us in many different ways.
Kingston, are you thirsty?
From his simple yes-no cards.
Yes or no. Yes, good job.
To his happy clapping, because he does have ideas and opinions that he needs to tell us. He's so smart. I know he can do a lot more than what we're trying to do now with them.
Yes or no.
Because I am old school. I am definitely an old school person.
Yes or no.
I'm Amy Nelson, and I'm a speech therapist. Oh, this one is soft. This is my third year working with Kingston. When we first started with the GoTalk app, we had two choices: book or song. So exciting to see his growth in communication. You can embed videos into the buttons. One of the really nice things we like about GoTalk Now, it's perfect to take a photograph of his different toys. We've added 3 and 4 choices.
I want the line spinner.
Oh, thank you. And this will really let him be able to tell us what toy he wants to play with, what he'd like next, what foods he'd like,
because the iPad gives so many more abilities for him to communicate.
I want the big bag.
Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know.
It's a great tool. Go Talk Now is so much more beneficial than the yes-no card.
I want the spray bottle.
It's just been so exciting to see his growth in communication.
I want bubbles.
Things Kingston's never been able to do before.
All right. So evaluation, I believe this app is truly effective and changes people's lives. I think it allows those who cannot or struggle to speak to be able to express themselves like they've never been able to do before. I also like that it is on an iPad, which is user-friendly and less expensive than being its own device. So integration, I would use this app if I worked in special education. I would use it for those kids who had speech issues or could not express themselves. I would practice using the program and letting the kids get more comfortable with the device so that they could work on communication. Thank you so much.